So what are we making today, babe?
We are making, obviously, chicken leg quarters.
And
You guys all like my chicken leg quarters, so I'm gonna make you some more, but I'm gonna do it with some different ingredients. So we're gonna get into this.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
First I put the garlic and the oil down. That way it doesn't burn on top of your chicken. And it soaks up right up into the bottom of it. It's a little too juicy. I think they're like putting more water in this for weight. Anyways, we're gonna do 4 cloves. 4 tablespoons, 4 cloves. And then I'm gonna put I had to make sure I got the top off of that. Olive oil. Let's see, 3. I think I won't buy, like, we're gonna do like 5 tablespoons. And then just kind of mix it around. Because we want it to cover the pan. You can mix it on anything. I'm using this. You know, let's not dirty more dishes. And just mix it around. Because I want all of the garlic to be underneath the chicken. And it also won't burn. Yep. And now we're gonna put some chicken on here. Let's see, how do I want to do this? This one only came with 4. Most of the time it's like 5. So I have different ways of putting that in here when you have 5. But actually these are really big. Oh my goodness. I don't like the fact that that one's like that. Bringing his skin down. Let's see. You know what? This is how I do it. I forgot, you know. You do it like that. Because these are kind of big, so they're kind of like taking up a lot of room. Yeah. So if you have four big ones like this, you can do it like that. Just bring down the skin. I don't know why it got left like that. Okay. Yep. Now I gotta wash my hands because I gotta do the marinade. Now we're gonna make the marinade to brush on the top. And we are using soy sauce, y'all. Yeah. We've gotten kind of addicted to this. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put in, let me see. 2, 3, 4. It's about 1/4 of a cup. I think I want 5 tablespoons. Yep, 5. Let me see. Oh, now it's at 1/3. I'm gonna put that in my recipe. I wasn't sure how many cups it was because I usually do tablespoons, so it's 1/3. Gotta put ginger. I don't even know why they have that on there. Most of the time you're just putting it in baking. Weird. I'm gonna put some some spice in it, some red pepper, but I'm only doing
2 tablespoons.
1/2 teaspoon. That stuff's spicy. Because I'm also putting in black pepper, so it makes it a little bit more spicier. So, yeah. Probably 1/2 teaspoon. That's what I just put in. Okay. So now, I'm gonna stir her in.
We got the hands video there.
Well, if you don't have one of these brushes or whatever, you can literally just pour it on and just kind of like, I think I have a video on that too, where I just pour it on and then I just kind of move it around with a spoon or something. But today I'm gonna use this.
Oh, fancy.
All right. You know, I might like, no, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just kind of like, ooh, look at it, it's already gone. And then I'll just kind of like, start doing that.
That looks really rich.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's the soy sauce and the red pepper. We're gonna let these marinate too. So it would be, they're gonna be marinated. They're gonna be marinated underneath because it's falling down. But the marination is important in roasting because if you just put it in right away, you're gonna wind up, you're not gonna get the flavor. The flavor has to sit there for a minute. We're gonna do it for about 30 minutes probably. And it's also gonna marinate down there too. Yeah. I think we got it.
Guys, them look pretty rich. You see the seasonings on there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looks good. It looks so much better when
and
it's
now
cooked.
we're gonna do what they call, I guess, sweating. Yes, sweat it.
That's what I'm doing my ribs.
We're marinating it, but like with the ribs, you say you're sweating it. Okay, we're gonna be back in 30 minutes.
You're trying to run off there.
Yep. It's been about 30 minutes. They're sweated. I'm gonna put them in now.
Using all that rib terminology.
Right. 400 degrees. We're gonna do it for, we're gonna check them after 30 minutes. Check. Not done. Check. Okay, it's going. Not done yet. Okay. It's done. These are my raggedy things. Doubled up.
You hear that, guys? It's sizzling.
So now we have another roasted chicken leg quarters. I have several, you guys. I have a lot of recipes on this because they're cheap. And now this one's the soy sauce one. And yeah, I'm gonna keep putting out this kind of stuff because you guys keep liking it. It's got crispy skin and everything. So follow, like, watch my videos, click on the, and my website. I got a website.
She does have a website.
It explains everything about the recipe because the video is just for entertainment. All right, so we're gonna eat now.